Look at this!
The grain train.
Wow! I don't know if the Osmo reflection is in the windshield. Oh no, it is.
What reflection?
I mean the recording of it. Like reflecting off of the windshield because of how dark it is.
I don't see anything. Looks fine.
Turn the windshield wiper back on. Or slow.
Or slow.
I don't know what that means. F up. Look at how long this is.
It's long, isn't it?
Yeah. The long grain train. Bones. Strange OCT October. Oh, I think I see the end.
Well, you know. No wonder he's going slow. He's only got 3 engines in all these cars. None in the back.
The end is right there. Or maybe he's going slow because of the speed restriction. Use the radar gun. I need to know how fast he's
Already
moving.
did. He's doing 21 miles an hour.
But he's going faster.
100 cars and 3 engines.